a European metal refiner operating a TSL-type smelter for copper, lead, and precious metals, faced high erosion and corrosion rates in its waste heat recovery steam generator. Harsh process conditions caused premature thickness loss of bare tubes and even alloy 625 weld overlay, requiring frequent repairs and replacements, extending turnaround time and reducing plant availability. In 2021, the plant trialed high-velocity thermal spray cladding. After a successful on-site test, 100 square meters of HVTS was applied. A 2022 inspection confirmed protection across most of the surface, though some localized wear occurred due to high gas velocity and temperature. The HVTS cladding was upgraded accordingly. In 2024, an inspection showed no metal wastage on base material. Given the effective protection and rapid application of HVTS, the plant reapplied it in 2024. With refined copper valued at $2 million per day, and HVTS reducing downtime by 6 days compared to alternatives, the plant avoided an estimated $12 million in production losses. This application improved WHRSG reliability and plant efficiency, delivering a cost-effective, sustainable solution through sound planning and execution.